Hi everyone, I'm Roland Tagufa and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's part 3 now of our tutorial about stairs, and our topic for today is the continuation of our tutorial yesterday. It's about railings. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, let's get started. Now guys, again, let's examine this more deeply. I'll just click this, and here we have this edit type again, and I go back to this baluster placement. And in baluster placement, there is a post. And here in the post, we have a start post and end post. This is our start post, and this is our end post. As I click there, here. And there is also a corner post. We don't have a corner because we only make straight. So let's do a corner also. So just to discuss that one, apply, and then okay. And then I go back to level 1, and in level 1 I'll go to this architecture, and then in architecture railings, and in railing I will click this chain, and then we're going to select the same that we have done, rail configured, and then I'll go to this line, draw line, and then I'll just draw a line like this, and then a corner there, and just a line like this, and then again modify, and then let's finish this, finish edit mode, and there we have a corner. So here is our start, and here is our end post, and here is our center corner. This is our corner. So I'll go into that, and there, and I'll go to this edit placement baluster. As you can see, if this one is hosted, you see what will happen if I'm going to change this corner post base host and place it rail to apply, and then okay, apply. As you can see there, it's cut. That is the corner. And go back, and we have here start, and then rail type element, rail top element. So top element top, and then top. Then you can change this also. I can change this one into, let's say, only up to level 1, and then apply, and then okay, and then apply there. You can edit all of these things by just only going to this and change all of these parameters. You can also change this top of this start post into this. What you cannot change only is the name. This is name start post. You cannot change that one. And then again, I'll go back and finish into that, and then we're gonna discuss this top rail. So in top rail, here is the top rail. Here is our top rail. There is a height, and there is a type. And here in type, we have this what we call rectangular 50 by 50 and mm. If I'm going to click here inside, there is here a building tab. If I'm going to click this building tab, there it brings me into another type properties. Now in type property, in order for us not to disturb our original one, we can duplicate this. I'll duplicate it. We can duplicate this type. Duplicate, and then I can name it rectangular. Let's say configured also. Config, and then okay. Then the type, As you can see, we have a top rail. This is a system family. The top rail is system family. It's not appearing there in our edit. So it's a system family. And we have this type rectangular 50 by 50 config. Now what we can see here, we have here construction also. And we have here material finish. We have here extension, and we have here end extension and termination. We're going to discuss this one by one. Okay guys, first that we're going to examine in our top rail component properties is this construction. Under construction, we have this default joint. And in default joint value, we have two options. One is the miter and the other one is fillet. If we're going to use this miter, this fillet radius is grade. You cannot assign any radius. If we're going to use this fillet, then we can assign a radius. Let's say I'm going to assign 0.1 meters. And again, we have handrail clearance. Very obvious, this is just a handrail clearance. And then again, there is also a profile. In profile value, we can select any value we want. We can have this elliptical, circular, square, and then circular handrail. There is a profile of C or a channel that is a profile. Since profile, all profile is coming here. So we still stick on to this profile, rectangular handrail 50 by 50. And then a projection, and then there is a transition. Here in transition, we have also an options of gooseneck and simple. So gooseneck, neck is goose, and just simple. So we'll just leave that one none. And again, we have these materials and finish. So we can select our materials. If we click this value material, there is a builder button. So if you click this button, then it brings you into material. So we will select the same stainless steel, and then okay. And then again here in this component properties of top rail, we have this extension beginning bottom, and there is also extension and top. So here under extension beginning button, we have this extension style, and the value none. We have also an option. We have wall, floors, and post. So let's say I'm going to select this wall. See what will happen into our preview. I'll place a wall, and if I place what you call this length of 0.20 meters and then hit apply, there it's extended it there. It means to say that this if there is a wall onto this side, this one will go straight into that wall. And again, there is also an option of floors. So there is a floor here in floor, and then I hit apply, and there you see this radius that we have placed it here. We place a radius of 0.1. Then there is already a radius here. If we're going to place this 1.2, and then 2 meters and hit apply, then it goes more. And again we have another type of option here in our extension style. We can select also a post. See a post, I'll select a post, and there, and I apply it, and there is hit radius here and radius here. This is the fillet. This is the fillet radius that is bending onto this rails. So that is the fillet. And then again, we have also here extension and top. Here we start in the beginning, here in this beginning here, and then it goes into this end also. So if we're going to select this extension style, let's say I'm going to select also a post, and then have a length of 0.2, and then apply there. it's also extended into both ends now. And again, I'm going to change this one since we're going to this termination. Then I'll change this one into wall, and wall here, and I go into this termination. Then in termination, there is also an option. It's only one, but we can create this. We can create, because this is also a profile. I'll explain it to you earlier later. Just go here again, and then rectangle, and then apply. There is an extension. So this is a family. Apply, and then I'll go to the family. I'll show it to you in the family. There is our extension. We can make an extension of like this. Just go to this home tab, and then I'll go to new, and then in new we have this English, and in English we have this metric profile termination. There is termination metric for profile point RFT. I'll open it, and then there we can make an extension here. I'll close it here, and again I'll go back to this and go to this railings, and here termination. If I'm going to right click this and edit, there is the termination. If I'll go again more and select this elevation, and I'll select this left, here is our termination left. The square here, it means to say that our front is side. As you can see here, this is our front, and here is our left side. So again, I'll select this, and I'll go back again, and then here I'll go back to this top rail. And what we have here down is identity, data, image, keynote, model, manufacturer, and so on and so forth. So you can assign your model, manufacturer, types, comment, you can comment, description, type mark, cost, and then okay. Now guys, next that we're going to discuss is about this handrail 1. We have this handrail 1 and handrail 2. This handrail 1 and top rail 1, they are almost the same. This system family and its property are almost identical to those of the top rail family. The one exemption is that handrail can use support family. I'll show you the difference. Here in our top rail, these are almost the same, except there is another term here in the handrail. There is again another properties that is assigned here as support. Here no support, and if I go here in this handrail, there is a support here. So we'll make a handrail. So in order for us to not to disturb this default, we will make a duplicate. We'll duplicate it. I duplicate, and okay, I'll name it pipe wall mount 2, or we'll change it config. And then okay. Same as we have there, here in construction we'll also have default, joint. We have two options also, same. One is a fillet and a miter. A miter and a fillet. So if I select this fillet, obviously we cannot edit this fillet radius. If we'll choose this fillet, we can assign a radius. So we'll assign again, same, 0.1 radius. Here, hand clearance. This is a clearance only between this rail. There, it is here. As you can see there in the picture, there is a clearance. That is negative 0.40. If I will place it positive, it goes at the other back. 0.04 meters. Apply. And then height, we can place a height. Since our height is 1.1, we can place also height of maybe 0.90. I'll place a height of 0.90 for our handrail. And then we can select a profile. So here in profile, we have options. We can select this rectangle, and we can select this, if I do an apply, and then okay, and then apply. And then here we need to place position, and then I'll place it left, and then apply. There it goes on this left side. So that is just a clearance. So we can make more clearance. Maybe we can make this one 0.08. And then maybe here we can place it 0.90, and we'll use I think I'm wrong, so I have selected the other one here. Here we have this wall mount config, and then we have selected this rectangle 0.50 by 0.50, and we can assume, we can assign a clearance of maybe 0.50, and then here we'll change this one into 40. Circular, will not use square. And then here same also, we have this material, we have this transition simple, gooseneck or none. So just select this simple, and material stainless steel, the same. And there is also extension beginning, and then extension and top. I will apply this, and then here, and there it is. Here is our railing, but this railing is floating, so we need to assign a support. That's why there is a support there. So I'll go back, and then I place this 1.90, and then here we can make an extension also, same as what we have done it there in our rail. There is an extension for walls, floor, and post. So we'll select this wall, and we can make this length, say length of maybe 0.30. Then again, there is also end. This is the beginning. It will extend it here at the beginning, and it will extend also there at the end. So we'll place the same. We'll place it wall, and then same 0.30, and then there is a transition, so we'll place a termination wood rectangular, and we can make our own profile for this. And then again wood, actually it's not a profile, it's a 3D. And then there is a support here. This is the difference between rail and handrail. Here we have a support, we can place a support on our rail. So in family, I can use a support metal, circular, and fixed number. There is a fixed number, and there is align with the post. If we will place it align with the post, I just apply it, and then again okay, and then apply. Okay, there it is. Here because this is a wall, so we don't need to assign any radius there. So because it is a wall, so I'll go back. And we'll just use a miter. So handrail, go back it here and use a miter, because it's very small and the radius is not enough. Apply, and then okay, and then apply, and okay, and there is no warning. So we can also change this one, because this is not hitting the wall. So if we're going to make a wall, like for example, I'm going to make a wall here. I'll make a wall. Just make a wall here, and we can edit this. I'll just hit this tab, and then we have this edit rail. We have this edit rail. We can edit it, and this one we can edit this edit path. We can edit the path, and this path can be extended up to there, and this path also, another one here in this path, we can extend it up to here. And then let's finish it. Extend it more, and then let's finish it. I'll finish, and then again finish, and then I'll go to 3D, and there it is now on the wall. And I'll show you, here is the support. Here is the support. Support is here, and here is the support. Support here. We place the support on the post. This is this end post, and this is the start post. The other one is start post. This is the start post. So here is the support. Okay, we'll play with the support. I'll go back. I'll again hit this, and I'll go back. And here we have a support. Play with the support, and then I'm going to change this support. Let's say fixed distance. We'll place fixed distance of 1 meter from center. Justification center. Apply. There it goes, and then apply, and then here there is a support every 1 meter support. Then again, there is an option. I will undo it because I have extruded this. If I'll go there and change that one, I'll go here and in rail, and then I'll change this wall into another extension style. I'll change it and place it from the floor. Apply. There it goes to the floor, and also here I place it here. There is also a floor, and there it goes to the floor also. Also, there is also another one extension style post. So on the post, and then apply. Again here post also, and then apply, and then okay. Here also, and then apply, and here there is. It doesn't change here because this one we have edited. If I will go it back, I'll undo, then if we will place it back, then this one will change. Then undo it again, and then again, and then cancel. Okay, here we did not edit the footprints, so there I'll just again I'll go back here and go to edit, and then in edit I'll go back to this handrail, and then in handrail I'll replace this one wall into floors, and then apply, and then apply, and then apply, and then here it changed here. There is a changes here, and then again I'll go back. I changed there. I didn't change the other one, so I'll go here back, and then I will change this one also, the end one, and place it floors, and then apply, and then okay, apply, then okay, and there. Guys, if you edit this in the wall and place it there in the wall, this one will not change. We need to bring it back so that this one will go automatic. Here we have these floors, and here also, and there is again another one. that is remaining there, I'll go back to this uh, edit type, and then I'll go to this edit, and there is another one, floors post, and then again I'll go to this floor post, apply, then OK, then apply, then OK. There it goes to the post, but it's not hitting the post because we have an offset of 0.5. If we will remove that offset and make it there, it will hit there. It will go into this post. So again, we'll continue. I'll go back and then edit, and then let's check what is remaining here. We have this support. So I have already discussed to you this support. There is again, if you go down, we have this identity data, IFC parameters, and so on. You can place type image, keynotes, model, manufacturer, type comments, URL, description, assembly code, type mark, and then cost. And then guys, what else can we do here on this post? Okay, we'll bring it back, this one. I'll bring this back here, this handrail. I'll place it in the wall, and also here I will place it on the wall, and then apply, and then OK, and then here also apply. Here also I'm going to change this top rail. I'll change this top rail. I'll go to this top rail, and I will remove this termination. I'll remove this termination here, none, and termination none. And then what I'm going to do here, I'll place this one, extension beginning. I'll place it on post, and then also this one I'll place it on post, and then apply, and then OK. I'll change this radius into 0.1, and then apply, and then OK, and then apply, and then OK. So what else can we do here? Here also, our rail, we can edit also this rail. Just hit the tab. I just select this rail, and in this rail we can edit rail, and here we can edit the path. Here is the path, and here in the path we can make an ellipse. I just go here and here, maybe no, not ellipse. I'll make it semicircle, like this. We can edit it, and then we can make a line, add a line there in this part. You can make a line here, there. You can make it like that. You can also move this. If you want to move, you can move it. Just hit your arrow and it's moving. You can move it. You can move this also. Again, I'll make this move. Okay. And then now it's end it. Now here we can edit that, and then again I'll go back. We can also edit the other one, the other side, and also I'll go back here, and the last that we're going to discuss regarding this is this handrail 2. We have this handrail 2. These are the same. This is just an option that we can make another one handrail. So I'll go here, make it another one handrail. I'll duplicate this, and then name it same 2. And then here we can change it negative 4.90, we can make it 0.90 also. And then we can make it simple. And then stainless steel, we can have an extension also. Extension, we can make it a post, a pole, a wall. So let's say we'll place it from the floor, and then we can place it also here from the floor, and then we can have this length of 0.20, and also here length of 0.20. And here we can have a fillet of maybe fillet, we'll use a fillet, and we can have a fillet of 0.1, just 0.1, 0.1. And then again we can have this termination, we can have a termination of this wood, and termination here also. And we don't need the support because this is going down on the floor, that's why this is grade. And then apply, and then okay. And then we can assign the position. There we have a left, and we can place this one in the right, and then apply, and then okay. There we have another one here. I'll remove this. I'll remove this wall, and there is another one here. So you can again the distance, we can change the distance. Again here on right, we'll place it maybe 0.5, 0.8. Apply, then okay, then apply. There it goes. We'll change this one into positive so that it goes here. Change it into positive. Go back and remove this negative, and then apply, and then it goes on the other side. Make it 0.4. Apply, and then okay, and then apply, and then okay. There we have this rail left and right. You can place this one at 0.5 also, so that this is the same as this one. You can place this one 0.5, and then apply, then okay, then apply, then okay. There we have two. Okay guys, that's all for today. We have already completed these railings, and tomorrow we're going to continue on doing these stairs. So I'm going to discuss all of these stairs now. We have already completed these main components of doing stairs and a rail, and then tomorrow we're going to discuss purely stairs. Okay guys, that's it for today, and I see you again on my next video. Okay guys, Phil Melenge. Bye bye. Philippines.